లాగిన్ అయింది.
Okay, okay. You're able to log in means user created successfully. Good. Okay, okay. So same thing you are executed in 50 users in actual script, right?
యా
Okay, okay. Then now you
యాక్చువల్గా
are,
నాకు డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
yeah, tell me.
ఇక్కడ శాంపుల్ కి 50 యూజర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్.
Hmm.
ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ ఇవన్నీ మనం రియల్ టైమ్ లోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అన్ని సేమ్
అన్ని
అక్కడ
చేయాలి.
ఏబీ ప్లేస్ లో అన్ని 50
We
చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి యాజ్ యూజువల్.
only 50 we need from the each and every test data 50 we need. Okay.
ఇంకొకటి ఏంటిదంటే ఇక్కడ మనం యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ చైల్డ్ పేరెంట్ మోడల్ ఇచ్చినాం కదా.
Okay. Username, password, same line as username. Okay, then fine. Username, go to the username. ఇక్కడ నువ్వు ప్రాపర్టీ వాడుతున్నావు సీక్వెన్షియల్ ప్రాపర్టీ.
అయితే ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ పారామీటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ అడ్రస్ 1 అడ్రస్ 2,
అవి కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు.
అవి కూడా సేమ్ చైల్డ్ పేరెంట్ మోడల్ ఇవ్వాలా లేకుంటే జస్ట్ నార్మల్ గా ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ పారామీటరైజేషన్ చేసి.
చైల్డ్ పేరెంట్ అని చేసుకోవచ్చు అండ్ లైక్ వీ కెన్ డూ ఫ్రమ్ ద నార్మల్ వే ఆల్సో వీ కెన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఈస్ ఫైన్ బట్ డేటా వీ నీడ్ దట్స్ ఇట్.
ఓకే.
ఓకే బట్ యూ కెన్ ఫాలో విత్ ద కాంప్లెక్స్ పారామీటరేషన్ ఇట్ ఇస్ గుడ్. ఓకే
లైక్ చైల్డ్ పేరెంట్ మోడల్.
చైల్డ్ పేరెంట్ మోడల్. ఓకే
ఓకే.
దట్ విల్ బి గుడ్ థింగ్.
ఆల్వేస్ పేరెంట్ విల్ బి యూజర్ నేమ్.
యా ఆల్వేస్ పేరెంట్ విల్ బి యూజర్ నేమ్.
దట్స్ ఇట్.
Yeah. You have any other doubts?
నో డౌట్స్.
Okay, okay. Just can I ask some few inter questions?
ఓకే.
Yeah, okay, okay. What is performance testing?
Performance testing, it is used some kind of applications for login purpose for multiple users
Okay.
to test the load.
Uh-huh. Okay. Like how many components LoadRunner? What are there?
There are 5 components in LoadRunner.
Okay.
So the first one is virtual user generator. Second
Okay.
one is controller,
Okay.
agent processor, load generator, and analyzer.
Can you explain from the like one by one?
The virtual generator, it is used to generate the script for the business flow analysis.
Okay.
And next thing is controller. It is
Okay.
used to design and run for the multiple purpose.
Okay.
Agent process, it is act as a communication between the controller and load generator.
Okay.
Coming to the load generator, it will generate the load against the application.
Okay.
Analyzer, it is used to analyze the results bottleneck point of view.
Okay. What is PT life cycle?
It's a performance testing total plan, how it will be executed from total scenario. First, we have to create the test plan work model. Then we have to create the test data. Then by using the VUGen, we can generate the script recording and enhancements. Then by using the controller, we can design and a test execution part. Then with the analyzer, we can analyze the results, and we have any reporting and recommendations, and we will send it to the developer team.
Hello. What is
Hello.
POC, Vinod? Vinod.
It's a proof of concept.
Okay. Okay. What is the proof of concept?
to design for the multiple purpose.
Okay. What are the non-functional requirements? I think you didn't follow the material.
Yeah, didn't follow.
Okay. Then we can go through that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, script recording and announcements where we can do.
We use virtual user generator.
Virtual user generator. Okay, that's fine. Okay, what is parameterization?
What are the inputs we give it through the keyboard? We give it to the system by parameterization
Okay, what are the
for multiple
parameter
inputs.
types? Types of parameters?
Sequential,
Uh,
random,
no. Not properties. Types, parameter types. Sequential, random, those are properties. I'm asking about types, parameter types.
okay, file,
Mm,
date and time,
mm,
load generator.
mm. Okay. Date and time I want from the future date. What we can do?
We can use the offset parameter.
Yeah, we can use the offset parameter. Okay, and we need to give from the how many days we want future. And past date means
Prior to current.
we need to give from the period to current date. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now what are the parameter properties?
Sequential,
Mm.
random, unique.
Okay, what is stand for sequential?
Coming to the sequential, we'll ask you the each and every iteration parameter.
Okay, what is the random?
Random, there is no particular order.
Okay, user will pick the any one of the
Any one of them.
value in the randomly. What is the unique?
Unique, it will give.
Unique? Sorry. What is unique?
If we take the data, those are non-repeated.
Okay, so one-to-one mapping. Unique nothing but like it is a unused data. So like
Unused data.
yeah, if it recharge card if you use, then we can't reuse for that data. So that is the one-to-one mapping. Okay, what is the each iteration?
Each iteration, the user will take the each and every data. Suppose we have one user, then we have the each iteration. Then he can take the each and every data. Then only will next forward to the next user.
Yes, somewhat is correct, but each iteration nothing but okay. For example, you have from the 5 users 5 passwords. Okay. So first iteration, first two user will pick the first one. If it is second iteration, what will happen? So it will update from the like first value to second value. And the third iteration, it will update from the second to third value. So means it will update it from the every iteration, each iteration, nothing but. Okay. What is the each
Total
occurrence?
25 iterations.
Sorry.
Each occurrence, I will update the value
Occurrence wise.
for the next one. For the
Yeah,
next
it will
occurrence.
update from the like values in the occurrence. Okay. And what is the once?
Once it will take the for each iteration, it will take the same
Not
iterations.
each iteration. Once nothing but so first iteration like what are the values picking. So it will continue from the second, third, fourth, 10th, 100 iteration, nth iteration means if it is any number, it will be same value it is pick. That is the once property. And going to the next, what is the same line as other parameter?
Can you repeat the question?
Same line as other parameter. Like same line as username, right? Same, that is we are calling as a same line as other parameter.
It will follow the parent one for proper correct execution.
Yeah, same line as other parameter means what is the parent value will be there. In the same line, what are the child parameters will be there? It will pick from the same row in the same line. That is the same line as other parameter. Okay, if you don't have from the test data, then what is your approach? But you need to
Then I will
execute from the
register.
100 users. Assume. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what is your approach?
I will create my own test data by the registration.
Yeah, using from the we can record the script and creating from the test data as per our convenient how much data we want, and that data we can use from the actual script, right?
Actual script.
Yeah.
Yes.
Maybe we don't have from the register. Okay, like sign up is we don't have. If it is sign up we have, then we can use, right? But
Yes.
we don't have from the sign up, but we have from the login will be there, but we don't have from the sign up. Then how to we can create the data?
When I log in, I will give it by the parameterization.
Like see, if you don't have from the username, you have already username data, then you can use. But you don't have from the, you are unable to creating from the using from the sign up and otherwise register, because that option will be not there our application. Assume. Then what we can do? Okay, so in this situation, maybe you don't have from the creating from the through our script. Then what we can do means we need to ask from the, okay, like in QA team, or we need to ask from our team lead. We need from the test data from the 100 users, because we are executing from the 100 user okay, user load. So we need from the 100 user data. So could you please provide? You can send out from the one mail. Okay, maybe they have, they will send. Maybe they told as a we have from the database. Okay, if you go through that database and you can fetch the data, already number of users and passwords are there in the database. You can go to that and you can use that. Then what we can do? We can log into the database. Database nothing but right? Like we have from the SQL, Oracle, right? So we need to access from the database, and after that you need to give from the query, select star from username and password. Okay, then you will get from that data. That data you can copy and paste. How you are doing from that actual script you can paste. That is the one thing. Okay, so means as a data point of view, we can do from the multiple ways. So which way is convenient for us? We can do. First thing will be we have from the sign up will be there. So don't depend from the others, and ourselves we can prepare. But even though we don't have from that opportunity, then we'll go with the database, or we need to ask from the team. Okay, and already some users data they have, then we need to ask them and you can get them, and you need to pass it in from the what is the our actual script. So this is the way we need to explain from the maybe test data perspective. Okay, for example, we have from the banking application. Okay, username password will be there. Like in this situation, which kind of property it will be suitable for this application? Because banking application will be secured application, and compared to from the some other application, unsecure applications also will be there. Unsecure means If you give from the username, password, anything, it will log in. But secure means your username, your password, if you give only, it will able to log in. So maybe this type of security kind of application, which property we can use?
Unique key property.
Yes, unique property we can use. Unique, why we are using means it's a one-to-one mapping, as well as you need to use from the unused test data.
Unused data.
And in the unique, okay, when you are like go to the parameters, go to the parameters.
Unique key with
Go to parameters. Click on parameters. Yeah. Here, what you can do means username is there, right? Select unique. See, when you are selected from the unique, so when out of values will be there, that is will be enabled. So based on from the you are giving, so you can click on that, continue with last value. You can click on that. Yeah, see, continue with last value, about user, and continue in cyclic manner will be there. Okay, so what is that meaning means? You have from the, for example, 10 user, 10 passwords. So if you give it as a continue with the last value, then it will be still last value is a 100 is the last one, then 100 users will be pick, and after that your script will be stopped. And if you give from the cyclic manner, then what will happen? Again, it will go to the 100 to again first, second, third, fifth. So means it will be cyclically, it will execute it. And about user means maybe you want from the particular user, 5 users after that, your script will be about means we can use from the about user. And you can select any one thing. Okay, select from the continuous cycling manner anything. See here, allocate user values in the controller. There you can allocate the black size will be there. So black size means, for example, you have from the 10 users, only you have from the in 10 users, you have from the passwords will be 2. Then how many we need from the black size? Every 5 users will be 1. Right? Because we have from the only 10 usernames, but passwords only we have 2. Then I want to same 5 users will pick from the first password, and next 5 users will pick from the next 5 words. Then we can create from the allocate is there, right? Click on from the allocate. So if you give from the here 10 means you can give from the 10 or 5 you can give. So we can create from the number of. Otherwise, if you creating from the automatically allocate means automatically our tool itself, it will be allocated from the block of the size. Like it's a 5 or 10 based on from the number of okay column and rows, right? Based on from that, it will allocate from the your system. That is the unique. So in the unique, we can have from the properties unique each iteration, unique ones, and unique occurrence also will be there. If you select from the occurrence, see occurrence also it is applicable from the when out of value, and you can select from the once. See once it is a like continue with the cyclic manner only it is applicable, remaining will be not applicable. Okay, means it will be continue cyclically, it will execute 1 to 5 is the last user, again 1 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means it will execute from the cyclically. Okay. So if you select sequentially, see sequentially also, if you observe sequentially also, like continue with a cyclic manner only, it is the enable. Only if you select from the unique, in the unique occurrence or unique each iteration, then only it will enable from the like allocating from the black size. Otherwise, when out of values abort or continue with the last value will be enable. Got it? And
when we can go for the each occurrence?
so like in script already I told, right? You have from the some okay value will be there. That is the 3-4 times will be there in the script. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. For example, some date we can take. Okay. Okay. First date will be like you need to update from the 15 minutes, and second date it will be again 30 minutes, again 45 minutes. Means every time you need to change from the date in the within the script, in the for only one iteration only you want to changing from the occurrences. Then we can use from the occurrence property. Means
Okay. For same
like each
parameter.
occurrence will be, it will update it from the values, your values. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And like we have from the like go to the parameter types. We have from the discussed all. Okay, again I will explain from few that file. Parameter type is there at above. In that only parameters. Go to the parameters. Yeah, type. See, now we can see from the custom date and time will be there. So anyone ask why we need to do from the date and time parameterization in script? You know?
Without date and time parameter, we can't analyze the for expiring dates and when we have to book the time.
Okay. Okay. Somewhat will be correct only. Yeah. So date and time mainly why we are doing this. So the date will be, for example, you have from the some flight booking application. You are booked the flight from the today. Okay. And your recorded script. Then which date it will generate it?
The time we booked.
No. When, today only I booked the ticket. Today means
Today.
in the script it will record only today date only, right?
Today date.
So today date is what is the today date?
30.
30 is the 7th of the July 2025. Our ticket is booked. So then what happened means you did from the recorded script, and after that you are trying to do from the tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after 10 days, same script you are executing. Then you are able to record like able to book the ticket.
No, I can't.
Why? Because it is the date is already used expired date. So because of that your script will be failed. Means our script once you did from the date and time parameterization, same script if you execute from the 1 year after 2 years also, your script will be not fail. Why? Because it will pick from the current date of the, what is the current date will be there, that date it will be pick. Then it is current date means it's a valid date, it is not expired date. So you are able to, your script will be passed if you execute from the after how many years of also, if you done from that script, you want to execute from the after 1 year, 2 year or 5 years also, your script will be never fail. So because of that, we are doing from the date and time parameterization. okay, a random number will be there. Why we can do from the random number?
We didn't expect some particular order.
Okay, for example, I have from the one Sriram 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there. The 1, 2, 3, 4 will be I want to doing from the parameterization Sriram 1, 2, 3, 4. The 1, 2, 3, 4 will be is not a if you give from the anything random it will work. So I don't want to change from the every time. So I will doing from the 1, 2, 3, 4 is a random number. Then what will happen? I given from the 4 digits. Then what will happen means automatically if you execute from the first time set first iteration second iteration automatically random value one time maybe 3, 5, 8, 6 sometimes 1, 8, 5, 6. So it is randomly the value will be pick. No need from the every time we can change from the script. And the unique number,
For safety purpose.
yeah, unique also same. For example, now I explain right. Sriram, some 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there. Same thing if you use from the Sriram 1, 2, 3, 4, then what will happen means your script will be failed because already this is the used. Unique nothing but already it is used. So means your script will be fail because maybe because of the unique can I use from the random means is it possible? Because random maybe first time Sriram 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there. It will come, maybe it will not come also. Again, there is a chance will be there. Again also it will come because it's a random. So that kind of situation, it is again same value it is come. Then what will happen? Your script will be failed. So to overcome that issue, we can use from the unique number property. Then what will happen? So if are done from the 1, 2, 3, 4 is the unique number. Assume. Then what happen means the unique number every time is changing. One time is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next time will be 3, 4, 5, some 6. But same value it is not repeat when you are choose from the unique because it is a unused data only it will pick from the every time. Got it?
Yeah.
So we are successfully completed till parameterization. One of the scripting enhancements also we are completed. And up to this you are good I think but you need to like a little bit do from the some okay interview point of view okay because in the PT life cycle I think you are as per my expected you are not given that much okay so please go to the PT life cycle POC what is the POC and what non-functional requirements what are the non-functional requirements and that I think we are not discussed also. Okay, we'll discuss that also. Test plan and workload model. Test data we are discussed already. And script recording enhancements, we know that. And test execution and result analysis. So this all we discuss. Maybe POC, non-functional requirements and workload model. I have not explained, I think. But you can just go through that. Okay, if you not understand, then I will also give from the overview to you. Okay. So that is the today class, Vinod. Tomorrow onwards, what we can do means we can start from the one more scripting enhancements. Okay, that is called a correlation. So what is the correlation? Nothing but like what are the values you are entering from the keyword you did from the parameterization. But in correlation means correlation can be used to capture the dynamic values which are generated from the which are generated from the dynamically. Some values will be dynamically it will be generated So if it is a dynamically generated, then what will happen means user to user, the data will be changed. Then if you execute from the multiple user perspective, your script will be fail. To overcome that, we need to do from the correlation. So tomorrow we'll discuss from that. And the correlation is a very important concept. So you should be understand from the what is the correlation, how to we can do. Tomorrow we'll discuss from the everything. Okay, Vinod?
Yeah. Can you send the
Oh,
material link with
yeah,
the
I will share. I will share to you. Okay, no worry. Okay, I will share. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Do you have any doubts, Vinod, for today? We discussed because for as of now we have completed everything. Okay. Do you have any doubts regarding from as of now parameterization, the properties, types, or anything?
No.
No, right? Okay, then good.
Actually, date and time also it's a dynamic property.
Yeah, it's a dynamic only, but we need from the current date, it will be fine, right? So if you do
Yeah,
from the dynamic wise, maybe it will pick from the past date also. There is a chance.
means we can also use the correlation with the date and time.
Yeah, we can, but maybe that is when it is happen means so date of birth will be there. For example, that is not secure. Okay, you want from the randomly you want to generate any date also is fine. Then you can use, but it is
Yeah,
not good from the correlation from the like this date and time. Why? Because for example, you done from the correlation. Assume your date of birth will be some 2000. Okay, 2000. Think about 2000 is your date of birth. You did from the correlation. Maybe 2050 also it will pick because
okay.
randomly like it is a dynamically changing. So 2050 is possible. It's not came. We are in now 2025. 2050 is came. So that is not good, right? So to overcome
Yeah,
that, we can go with the like parameterization is a good thing.
yeah, okay.
Okay. So that's it. Okay. We'll catch from tomorrow and we'll continue.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Nad. Bye.